Star Wars 22909. Good luck, everyone. Realize, like, you know when you kind of click how bad you've been at drinking water lately? I had that click the other day. Like last night, I'm like, oh no. It's been a while. 3, 4, and 5. Top is Adam Harris, bottom is Adam Harris. The list actually did not change too much there 5 times. All right, 3 for Adam, 1 for Nicholas, 1 for Adam, 1 for Yah, 1 for Greg, the rest for Adam. Nicholas Lass. Lassie. The Eris Bo-Katan and Jango Fett. What does Miss All Sunday mean? Yahweh Sai, good luck. Stormtrooper. And gold, Lando. Old school Lando. Yeah, but like, what does All Sunday mean? Is she throwing it back All Sunday? That was a Lando to 50. Now I'm thinking of Nico Robin. Greg Hornby. Let's all honk for Hornby. Praetorian Guard. There you go. So there is actually a little fear of that, but the main thing is it doesn't play well with the rest of our apps for breaks, so no Kanduski. It's 99, Cad Bane. So they don't auto-fulfill, they don't do anything. It's just Palpatine. It just breaks everything. Purple to 109, Rancor Keeper. That is Machete. Oh, just give us a Superfractor, would you? The Eris and Luke Skywalker Refractor. Oh no, it's all baked in, it's all Shopify. To 99, Han Solo Galactic Gear. Oh, give us the Superfractor now, would ya? Palpatine. And to just 5, Misa, do like that one. Jar Jar Binks. Oh. Jar Jar Binks to 5. Oh, that's a big boy. Congratulations, Adam. Greedo. Paul Blake as Greedo. And Melshi. Choose between Cad Bane, Machete, Old Han Solo, Greedo, and Jar Jar Binks. This is all-time a meme tier character. And on the back, Captain Phasma, who's also Sicko Mode. And that is that for Adam. Misa, do like that one. Cooler Jar Jar Binks to 5. Huh? Worst dude.